as well as the Consul General and Philippine Trade and Industry Representative, the Honorable Archimedes Gomez.
The show starts right after this, okay? The girls are going up right after this.
Thank you. To the new set of officers of Ex-Officio for Humanity, distinguished guests, friends, ladies and gentlemen. As your inducting officer, I beg your indulgence if I say a few words to these honorable women who are taking on a great challenge, which will no doubt pave the way for the upliftments of the lives of many. If there are three values that will make the difference in any organization, then this will be integrity, transparency, and unity. As a noted writer by the name of Steve